Didi and Rahul Learning Maths Series Episode 2 Story of Addition with Rabbits. Didi and Rahul, on a particular holiday, went to a park where there were rabbits. Rahul said, Didi, see Didi, rabbits eating carrot. Wow, so nice, said Didi. They both went near the rabbit cage. Rahul gave one to a small cute one and started eating. It was fun. Didi said, come on, we shall give carrots to all the rabbits. Rahul was so happy. He said, that will be fun. Rahul started thinking, okay, but Rahul was doubtful. Will all the rabbits get one carrot each? Because he had brought only 10 carrots from his house. So Rahul asked Didi, will all of them get one carrot each? And showed his plan. Didi said, Rahul, now count how many carrots you have. Rahul started counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So Didi told, so you have 10 carrots. Didi said, now count how many rabbits. So once again Rahul started counting number of rabbits. He counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So Rahul said, Didi, yes, I have 10 carrots and 10 rabbits. One more rabbit came running like he wanted one. So Didi said, Rahul, give him one. And now you give one carrot for each rabbit. So that will be 10 rabbits and 10 carrots. So now while they were playing like this, Rahul understood, I know it is addition of number of carrots and number of rabbits. It is so easy. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Like that. Didi said, that's very good, Rahul. These days you are becoming very smart. So Rahul was so happy. I know you are also happy to learn addition with this fun way. That's how Rahul learned addition from Didi. It's fun way of learning. Do you want such type of videos? Please like, subscribe and share more videos like this all about learning.